Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I will tell you how to withdraw your winnings from Rainbet using easy steps. Let's go! First, you must verify your identity. Rainbet will ask for a photo ID, a selfie holding your ID, and proof of address like a utility bill. This must be done before you withdraw any money. This process might take up to a week, but usually it's done in about 1 day. Once your account is verified, open the wallet or cashier section in the app or website, choose withdraw, then pick how you want to get your money. They offer options like a Visa or MasterCard, e-wallet, bank transfers, or crypto. Type in the amount you want to withdraw and make sure it follows the minimum and maximum limits. For most methods, the minimum is $10 or $20 and the maximum can be unlimited depending on your status. Then enter your details. This could be your card info, crypto wallet address, or bank info. Once you confirm, Rainbet starts processing the request. Here's what to expect. Cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and etc. usually arrives in 5 to 50 minutes using blockchain. E-wallets like PayPal, Skrill, or Neteller takes up to 12 hours. Visa, MasterCard, and bank transfers take 1 to 3 days. Also, Rainbet does not charge any fees, but your bank or payment provider might. If your withdrawal is delayed, it could be because you have not completed your identity check yet, your bank or payment provider takes extra time, the crypto network is busy. If needed, you can contact live chat 24/7 for help. Here's a quick summary. Verify your account with ID and address proof, go to cashiers and withdraw, choose your method and amount, wait for the money, minutes with crypto, hours or days with others. Contact live chat if something goes wrong. It's fast and easy, especially if you use cryptocurrency. If this helped you, please like and subscribe and drop a comment if you need help with your withdrawals. Thanks for watching.